Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set up quizzes on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen we have the site, blog, products, community, email, audience, and sales. And in the top right corner, we have your profile and your messages. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up quizzes on Podia. So first of all, click on products in the left on the top side of the screen here, and then choose the course where you want to add the quiz. So basically, you can go to all products, and here you can find all of your products, and then of course enter it, and then go to click on the add section. And now when you want to go and add a lesson, then go and click quiz and enter your quiz questions, of course. Click save, and that's basically that. You can now preview your course to ensure everything is set up correctly as of course you wanted in the first place. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.